Frozen windshield washer fluid is one of the most common winter vehicle problems, affecting millions of drivers each year. Understanding why this happens and which parts are most vulnerable can help you avoid costly repairs and dangerous driving conditions. The primary cause of frozen washer fluid is inadequate antifreeze concentration. Standard summer washer fluid freezes at exactly 32 degrees Fahrenheit, the same temperature as water. Winter-grade washer fluids contain antifreeze compounds that provide much better protection. Standard winter fluids protect down to negative 20 degrees Fahrenheit, while premium formulations can protect to negative 40 degrees. This freeze protection chart shows the relationship between antifreeze concentration and temperature protection. Even small amounts of water dilution can significantly reduce the fluid's freeze protection. Your washer system has several components, but they don't all freeze at the same rate. The washer fluid lines are the most vulnerable because they're thin and exposed to outside air. The pump mechanism is particularly expensive to replace if it freezes and cracks. The reservoir tank is actually the least likely to freeze completely because it holds the most fluid and has more thermal mass. Environmental factors make freezing worse. Prolonged sub-freezing temperatures, wind chill effects on exposed lines, and repeated freeze-thaw cycles all increase the risk of system damage. The financial impact is significant. Freeze damage to the washer pump typically costs between $200 and $400 to repair. More importantly, a non-functioning washer system compromises your visibility and driving safety. Understanding these fundamentals helps you recognize why prevention is so much more cost-effective than repair. In the next section, we'll explore the specific solutions and prevention strategies that can keep your washer system working all winter long. When your windshield washer fluid freezes, you need both immediate solutions to get moving and long-term prevention strategies to avoid future problems. For immediate relief, the most effective solution is moving your vehicle to a heated garage. If that's not possible, you can use a hairdryer on low heat to thaw frozen lines and nozzles. Warm water can be applied to frozen components, but avoid hot water, which can crack plastic parts. Commercial de-icer sprays are specifically designed for this purpose and work quickly. Chemical solutions provide longer-lasting protection. You can add concentrated antifreeze additives to your existing fluid, or completely replace it with winter-grade washer fluid rated for sub-zero temperatures. As an emergency measure only, you can add isopropyl alcohol at a maximum concentration of 70%. However, this should not be your primary solution, as it can damage rubber seals over time. Prevention is always better than cure. The most important preventive measure is changing to winter-grade fluids seasonally, combined with regular system maintenance to ensure all components are working properly. Automotive experts recommend changing to winter-grade washer fluid when temperatures consistently drop below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. This gives you a safety margin before freezing conditions arrive. Professional mechanics also recommend using antifreeze testers to verify your fluid's protection levels. These simple tools can tell you exactly what temperature your current fluid will freeze at, helping you make informed decisions about when to change it. Remember, prevention costs $15 to $25 for winter fluid, while freeze damage repairs can cost $200 to $400. Prevention is 16 times cheaper than repairs, making it a smart investment for any vehicle owner.